Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. This is Coach Yoann and today I am not trading. I am just observing because it is an FOMC day. So let me show you why I'm not trading and why you shouldn't either on days like this. Let's go! Alright guys, so you should be able to see my screen now. This is SPX on a 5 minute, okay? This is the option channel over here. So let's open that. As you can tell, the IV is extremely insane and high, 103%, right? So now let's just look at today, what happened today. We have basically we open with kind of sideways action and an uptrend and then a downtrend since we hit the high of the day of 4,014 on SPX. It went all the way to the low of the day, which is 39.89, okay? And so it is 10:57 a.m. on West Coast time, right? In less than 3 minutes, now actually it's 10:58, so in 2 minutes now, we will have Jerome Powell who comes in and tell us, well guys, we're gonna increase the rate by 25 basis points, 50 basis points, or we're gonna cut it completely by 50 basis point, let's say. I'm just taking an example here. Or we're not gonna do anything and just pause it for now. No one knows what first is gonna say, and no one knows how the market will react. But what I can tell you, however, is that you do not want to trade on those days. Why? Because look at the IV, right? 103%. Look at the premium, how the premium is jacked up on every single option contract here, on every single strike. You see that? It's insane. So the way it moves, the IV, all of that is basically gambling before such a big event. So you do not want to touch it. Now, I'm starting this right now because I want to record the reaction of the market live. Obviously, that won't be live when I post it because I'll post it later, time for me to do all my editing and everything. But once I post it, you will see still what happened at that time when it was live. So we have 1 minute now and we'll see how it reacts. My personal prediction, not a recommendation, is that is going to increase the rate by 25 basis points, but I don't know, it's just my personal feeling. Now, how the market will react, I think we're gonna flush down a little bit and then explode up. But let's see. And let's take as an example, let's take the $4,000 price here. Let's say I wanna go short at 26.50, okay? So this is what's happening right now. Oh, we see that? Oh no, there you go. So 26.80 right now. So let's take note of that and see how this contract will basically move because of such a big event. All right, so we have 1 minute now, 1 minute left. Let's see. And remember, it was at 26.50 something, right? For the 4,000. My prediction is we're gonna flush down completely and then explode up, but let's see. It's 11 a.m. now, so what's happening? It should come at any time now. Let me see on Twitter on my side here. I have a big screen you guys cannot see. I can see if... Oh, I was right. Fed hikes interest rate by 25 basis points to 5%. Boom! Wow, we explode up, you see? So this is exactly the opposite I was predicting. But look at this. 27.50 in less than a sec. We went to $20, right? For the 4,000 puts. Look at that. Completely exploding up. Now at $20, $17. This is, that's what I'm passionate about the market, guys. Like I'm so excited about seeing this. Obviously, if you're a gambler, you don't want to be in there and if you're a gambler actually, yeah, and you went long on that, you killed it. If you went short, like I was thinking of, obviously not doing it because I have experience in it, but like the example I took, we were at $27.50. The same price now is at $18.30 in legit, 15 seconds maybe, but it went up like crazy. So, all right, so now let's see how the price action moves again, just because what's happening right now is we have the release of that information, and now we will see, which by the way, I predicted it, because if you look on my Twitter, I did write, while waiting for it, I'm just gonna put my prediction up there, 25 basis points. That's just my prediction. But look at now how the prediction, the price action is moving. We completely reversed now almost, right? Like halfway of that big candle. And now we're still at 18.20. Let's see. Because what's gonna happen now is the result is out. Okay, the Fed hikes interest rate by 15 basis points. Cool. But now that the news is out, how the market will react. So there is a time for that. The first thing. The second thing is, after that, we in about 28 minutes we're gonna have, and I'm not cut the video right now. I'm very shortly because I'm not gonna make like an hour video. But in 28 minutes we're gonna have Uncle Powell, like I like to call him in French, Tonton Powell. So Jerome Powell is the head of the Fed, obviously, and he's basically going to answer question and tell us why he decided to go with 25 basis points and not pausing and not 50 and not 75 and not cutting or decreasing by 25, 50, 75, etc., etc. So and then he's gonna answer question from the press. While he answers questions, sometimes he moves the market as well. The market and the algorithm, I feel like, are very prone to reading speeches and understanding what is happening while the Feds are talking. This is the reason why it goes like crazy. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm not trading on those days. I didn't take one trade today, and I'm happy about it. Congratulations to whoever went long. I didn't take a look at the long one. You can go back to the video and look at the 4,000 call strike and see they were probably maybe, I don't know, at $15 or something, and about 29. I don't know exactly, but you can go back and look at the 4,000 call and see how much they were versus how much they are now. They probably obviously exploded up with the price. But once again, something else that is very important to know is, why do you not trade? Well, first of all, it's a gamble, it's not trading. That's just gambling, up or down. You have 50% chance that things are going up or down, right? There is no other way. And drastically. And we're not talking about like, oh, I have the odds on my side, my setup is there. No, that's not, none of that. You have no information, you don't know what he's gonna say or whatever. Even if you do know what he's gonna say and you predicted it, you do not know how the market will react. The first thing. The second thing is, okay, let's say you did gamble. Not cool, but you did you, right? Okay, you did gamble. How? So you were long. Now the thing that is going to be a challenge for you is getting out of those contracts, because the IV is so high, and so as you can tell here, 92% right now. Okay, the IV is so high that those contracts move so fast that sometimes you cannot even get out of it, right? So because you won't get filled, right? So that's another challenge, and that is why. Within like all multiple reasons I just gave you, why I'm not trading on those days, because it's just gambling and not trading. All right, let's see if we're going higher. So the market maker move, expected move today was about $45. And how much we did so far? We did 20. Well, actually, this is from opening. Yeah, so let's say 4,000 went to 4,022. So we're expecting like a $45 move up or down. So far we're at 23. Yeah, we're going higher and higher. And that was a very important meeting right now because of all the hikes we had in interest rate the past few months. Obviously, everybody was, and plus the fact that SVB failed and few banks started to fall down. So we were all anxious to know what he will do, if he will be scared to do anything because he's afraid of the bank collapsing even more. If he wants to really fight inflation and keep going no matter what happens. Which was my intake. I thought he will really keep increasing, because at the end of the day, I don't think he cares about everything else but just fighting inflation. That's his main goal, right? He's not a politician. He's the head of the Fed, so his goal is, having inflation as low as possible, and he will do anything for that. All right, so we're going higher and higher. We're at $31 now. If we say that we started at around 4,000, which we did. So we have another $15 to go, because we're expecting a $45 move, and so far we've done $31. How do I know that, by the way, guys? The IV is over here. If you can look at your screen on the right here, the 90.48% is the implied volatility, and this number here is actually the move that the market makers are expecting. right? So right now it just changed, and it changed, you know, obviously as the speech was about to happen, the idea was super high. I mean, the release of the Fed's hikes interest rate now, but he has been out, you know, he goes a little bit lower, etc., etc. But yeah, so the move expected is now $44. We made 31 so far. So I'm gonna stop the video now, but I think it was about 10 minutes, so I think it's pretty cool for you to see why you do not trade on those days. Why even if you can predict what he may say, you still do not want to trade because you don't know what's gonna happen. And if you're right, like for example, to me, I thought that we will raise from 25 basis points, but I was actually expecting a flush and not a rise. So it's interesting to know that. And then the third reason is also you do not, even if you do it, which I highly discourage you to trade on those days, but if you do it, you're gonna have issues getting filled in and out actually, okay? Especially out when you are in that trade. So let's say you're here right now, good luck to try to get out because we're going lower now, and your contract are gonna have a really hard time to get filled trying to get out of that. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching. That was fun. I'm happy actually I had the idea to do this right now, kind of live, so you can tell. Let's go to see our 4,000 now. They were at 27 something, right? 27.50. They're now 13.10, okay? In about, it's been 11 minutes. So yeah, a beautiful way to lose money here if you were short. And I'm assuming obviously a beautiful way to make money if you were long. But let's see if anything can reverse at any time now as we go closer and closer to the press conference with Jerome Powell. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share it, and follow me if you have any question about trading, mindset, fitness, whatever it is. Please go on coachyoann.com, book you one-on-one meeting with me. It's free for 15 minutes. I give you a call and we just talk about your fitness journey, your trading journey, how we can make it better together. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.